Hello kids, I'm your teacher Diana. Do you know how many letters are there in the English alphabet? There are 26 letters in English alphabet. We call the uppercase letters as capital letters and the lowercase letters as small letters. Now let's learn the English alphabet in alphabetical order. First listen, then say after me. A, A, A. Capital A, capital A, small a, small a. B, B, B. Capital B, capital B, small b, small b. C, C, C. Capital C, capital C, small c, small c. D, D, D. Capital D, capital D, small d, small d. E, E, E. Capital E, capital E, small e, small e. F, F, F. Capital F, capital F, small f, small f. G, G, G. Capital G, capital G, small g, small g. H, H, H. Capital H, capital H, small h, small h. I, I, I. Capital I, capital I, small I, small I. J, J, J. Capital J, capital J, small j, small j, small j. K, K, K. Capital K, capital K, small k, small k, small k. L, L, L. Capital L, capital L, small l, small l. M, M, M. Capital M, capital M, small m, small m. N, N, N. Capital N, capital N, small n, small n. O, O, O. Capital O, capital O, small o, small o. P, P, P. Capital P, capital P, small p, small p. Q, Q, Q. Capital Q, capital Q, small q, small q. R, R, R. Capital R, capital R, small r, small r. S, S, S. Capital S, capital S, small s, small s. T, T, T. Capital T, capital T, small t, small t. U, U, U. Capital U, capital U, small u, small u. V, V, V. Capital V, capital V, small v, small v. W, W, W. Capital W, capital W, small w, small w. X, X, X. Capital X, capital X, small x, small x. Y, Y, Y. Capital Y, capital Y, small y, small y. Z, Z, Z. Capital Z, capital Z, small z, small z. These are the 26 letters in English alphabet. My dear kids, it's your turn to chat. As I display the letters, you should identify and say the correct letter name. For each 2 letters, I will be giving you stars. Are you all ready, my dear kids?